Hi, I'm Elise Carrick, here with Todd Brandon this morning.
We're from the agency and today we're at 358 Hobler Avenue in Frenchville and we would love to show you through. Everybody's going to agree that the owners have done a wonderful job on the renovation of this home and it is meticulously presented. What I love most is this great kitchen that connects nicely with the dining and indoor living spaces. Why doesn't Elise show you around outside?
The external of this home has also been superbly renovated, with the deck overlooking the large backyard, which is fully fenced. You have more than enough room to entertain for all of your friends and family. If you're in the market for a home that's ready to move into in Frenchville,
Why don't you give our team a call? We'd love to help you out.